to another video. Today we have a smoking deal on a 319 mechanics Kobalt mechanics set. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make me to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So right here with the lowest page, you can do that at the app, or you can do this at the main page. So what you do is you just put 319 Kobalt. There we go. Piece toolkit. You can do that. It's on clearance, guys, for $71. $71, guys. It's a really nice kit. Regular price $159. Usually we see this on Black Friday sales for $99 or $100, a little bit more than $100. But now it's on sale for $71. The smoking deal. Looks like you get some ratchets. You got some L wrenches. You got some combination wrenches. You got some. It's hard to. Yeah, the way they did this. I don't know what's up with their page. Anyways, but you see at the top right there, you got some wrenches. You got some bits. You got a lot right there to the left. You got a lot of like some nut drivers. You got 3 different ratchets, 1/4 of an inch. You got 3/8, 1/2 an inch. Looks like you get some extensions. Then you get a whole bunch of sockets at the bottom 3 drawers are just sockets. So a whole bunch of sockets, definitely worth it. Those are all the bits you get. Those are the wrenches on the top. If you prefer ratcheting wrenches, you can switch them for some ratcheting wrenches, box wrenches, and then you got the bit driver there at the bottom, like a screwdriver with the bit, and then you got the nut drivers right there to the left, and then you got the ratchets. So it's 3 different ratchets, extension, some extensions there, some universal fittings there, and then you got some some hex. And then you got some small sockets there, some more sockets, a whole bunch of tools here, the long sockets. So this is definitely worth it, guys. Make sure you guys pick it up. The way you do it to find, if you're in a big city, you're probably gonna find something like this around this price or even cheaper than that. So what you do is you go to this part of the page here, and just go up here to the store selector. So you go one by one. So like this one will go to the Phoenix store. As you guys see, the price did change. So what you have to do is you have to go to that store. You have to find that store that is cheaper. See, each store is gonna have a different price. See, $159. So the cheapest I found was let's see, view more. Let's see, South Phoenix or Alcatillo. Here's this one's for $95. So yeah, the cheapest I found was in Goodyear. That was the cheapest one. So anyways, that's the best deal to get. At $71, I think this deal is worth it. Make sure you guys check it out. It's a smoking deal. You can't get it any cheaper than that. Let me see if I can go back to the. I'll just put what is it? Goodyear. Goodyear, Arizona. Alright, so this is the store that had it for $71 original. So I would definitely do this. Search it out if you want this kit. Hopefully it'll be cheap by where you're at. You might score this. I know. Actually, a big shout out to Client Graphics. I don't know if you guys watch his channel, but he's the one that he did a walk around the lobes, and he found this deal. He also found another one that was $40, but I can't remember exactly what it was, because this one's the better deal. This was the 319 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. So big shout out to Client Graphics for finding this deal. Make sure you guys check out his channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.